Hello everyone, this is Karubaki and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm sharing with you a very soft glam makeup tutorial. Put my hair into a very slick ponytail or a bun. Now we are all ready for the first. We will apply the moisturizer. We have applied the moisturizer. Now let's move into the primer. I will be using this Rene Bollywood Filter primer. Apparently this is a pore minimizing primer. Doing the soft glowy makeup, so I would be using this elf hello glow, which apparently gives a very sheer coverage, but it adds that soft glow to the face. Also you can use it as highlighter too, but I like to use it as my base because it works as an illuminator. I'm using the Mars multipurpose brush. Now we will blend it. Now I have done and you can see the glow in my face. So now I would be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm in the shade, I think 40. Yeah, I'm in the shade. So I have applied concealer to certain parts of my face because I'm not gonna use any foundation because it will be a bit too much. So I've just applied a generous amount of concealer to certain parts of my face. I would take a mini blender and blend my under eyes. Now I would take a bigger beauty blender and blend all of my face. Blended the concealer over all of my face. Now I would be using a setting mist that is from Recode. It will just melt everything in its place, and after that we will set. So the base is done and now it's time for the blush. And for blush I'm using Maybelline Sun Kissed blush and it's in the shade 30 Pink Mirror. I do have a blush blindness because it's adds that color, that I believe in that color adds life to everything, and I believe that for my makeup too. So yeah. So the name of the blush is the Sun Kissed blush. So it should feel like that sun kissed my face. Do you understand? Now I will use the same brush and I will just take some loose powder and set my under eyes. I will be using this palette, it's a mini palette from K by Katrina, and she has done a really good work with the eyeshadows. And first of all I'm taking this brown shade and this is the blending brush by Mars and I'm going for a transition shade and we will just blend it properly. We will do it on the other side as well. Just blend it. Now I will take this shade and I will apply it in the crease, sorry, in the lid. I will apply my liner, and for that I will use a gel liner because it gives me the perfect wing every time. I need a mirror to see if it's correctly positioned or not. Sorry guys, my light went off, but let's continue with this. So I just love a wing liner. I just love it because we are doing everything nude and soft, so your eyes need to pop out. So I like to do a long wing liner. It depends upon you if you like to do a short liner. And I'm quickly gonna do my other eye and come back. Now I will brush up the extra powder to my brows with the Marsh brow pencil. Just have a very low strokes with free hands. Do not give any stretch. Just free fluid. It's done. Now we will just brush it out. And it's done. And my brows are done. So as all of you know, it's summer and my makeup do melts because I have very, I get sweaty a lot. So I will just apply a powder blush over my cream blush so that it stays in its place. And does not buzz off. And I think it's pretty much done. For your information, don't complain, I don't use highlighter because I think it enhances my face structure, texture, and I do not like it, so I will be using the setting spray again to lock it. Our whole makeup is done. I will just quickly apply the lip liner, and it's from Mars. I just love this lip liner, and we will go with the matte lipstick in the shade Warm Teddy. And we're done. Lastly, we will apply some mascara, and this is from Essence. And this is the whole look.